Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to dropship from Temu to TikTok shop. Let's get started. If you want to know that, what you can do is you can head over and then just watch this video. So as you can see right here, we can see that Temu is not a dropshipping wholesaler. And as you can see right here, Temu doesn't allow or does not support dropshipping. So what we can do in this case is we can head over here to our TikTok shop and look for other providers that actually supports dropshipping from Temu products. In order to make this possible, just expand these apps and services. Click on this app store right here. And for example, just humor ourselves and search in here for Temu. So you can see right here that Temu doesn't actually have its own app on TikTok. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and then just search in here for dropship. So you can see in here some relevant applications. So I recommend you to use this Stop Dropshipping right here. So just head over and then install this app and then click on this right here in order to actually open it. Now I already authorized it, so I'll just head over and renew it by clicking on this confirm right here. Click on this confirm to install. And then from in here, it will show you this authorized section wherein you can see this following conditions. So just head over and read it. Once you read it, click on this authorize. And then this will authorize itself. Click on done. And in a few seconds, this will redirect your TikTok shop to that Stop Dropshipping right here. So in here, you are authorizing the binding. So click on this bind account. And then just head over and log into your account. Let me just log in first. So now you can see it from in here. So this is the mall once you have successfully logged in. So what you can do in this case is you can just head over and then search in here for some products that will help you. So for example, if you try to search in here for Temu, you should be able to see in here some products from Temu as well as this Temu Dian, this Temu New Women's, Summer New Temu. So what you can do is you can head over and then just click on them. So these products right here are from Temu itself. So there is no worry or there is nothing that can help you or that can actually make this enable. So what you can do is you can head over and see in here these buttons. Click on this button for list your store. Once you have clicked that, you can select the store wherein you want to add it. So you head over and then just select in here your TikTok store and ship my orders to, and look in here for your actual store location. So my location is in the Philippines, so I'll head over and add that. And you can ship it from the warehouse. You can get the shipping method right here that will actually work for you. So I recommend you to choose a shipping method that is actually very few. So as you can see right now, it has 8 to 12, 4 to 9, 6 to 10, and the longest is 20 to 35. So if you try to get this 4 to 9, just expect that it will be more pricey. So we can see the shipping fee is for 33. If you get this one, you should be able to see that the shipping fee will change with it as well. So just head over and then get it, and then you can also put in here an RRP that you can use. So as of right now, the RRP is 21.21. So you can also enter in here your price. Let's price it at around $29.99, and then enter it in here from there. So once you have entered it, you should be able to add it from in here. Now you can also get these images. Now you can select the images that you want, add it to your store. So I'll head over and then add everything. Now click on this product and you can change in here the actual product name. I'll remove in here the name for Temu, so that way it will be named to us. And then you can also click in here on the description and you can add descriptions right here. You can edit it out however you want as well. So it totally depends on you which one you want for this. Once you have done this right here, click on this list it now option in order to successfully list it to your actual store on TikTok. So let's do one more that. So let's close this one and then let's head over again to our Stop Drop. So here's our actual category store. So you can also use in here this image search. So for example, let's head over right here to Temu. So on our actual Temu right here, you can see in here some products. So what you can do is you can head over and select a product right here that you want to actually add. So I actually selected in here this deal. So you can head over and then get it. So here it is right here. What you can do is you can right click on it, click on Save As. And then from in there, just head over and then save this particular image. You can also just head over and then screenshot it. Once you have screenshot it, head over and then paste it to your Paint. So let's search in here for Paint. Then from in there, let's add it. And then once it's been added, let's head over and then save it to our actual pictures. So let's name this Slippers. Now, once it's been saved, let's close this and let's head back again to our Stop Dropshipping. Click on this image search right here, and then it will show you this member center. So just put in here the image that you want to search. Click on this right here, or you can also drag and drop that. So I'll head over and add in here the slippers that we have just made, and click on this open. And as you can see, it will be added from in here. So in here, it will actually load for a while, and as you can see, the same slippers is actually available on this drop shipping option. So you can head over and click on this import option just below that, and you can head over and click on confirm. As you can see, this will load and acquisition is now successful. So you can head over and source this if you want as well. When you hover to your products right here, you can head over and see in here this option for listed as well as your inventory. So let's head over and add some few more products in here as well that we want to use. For example, let's add this one, which is actually a beige. Click on this import right here and click on this confirm. And as you can see, this will load again and add it on our product inventory. Now you can head over right here to your products, click on this my inventory right here, and you should be able to see here your product inventory as well as the deposit inventory, also the orders that you have right here, and the products that you have queued or listed on the import option. So you can head over and see everything from this particular list from now on, as well as this wholesale list that you have, and also the analytics that you have in here as well. Now, on our dashboard again, you can see this top scraper. So head over and click on that, and it will open in here this new tab, wherein you can see in here this actual tab right here. So head over and click on this add accrue, and then click on add extension. And whenever this extension has been added, as you can see, it's been added. Now you can head over right here to any tab or anything or any page that you want, or any page that you have the product that you want to acquire. Like for example, you want to acquire this. So what you can do is you can head over and click on that, and then from in there you can click on your extensions, and then head over and click on this Stop Dropshipping in order to successfully add it on your shop once you have finished signing up. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because that's to reach more people. See you soon.